How to delete a contact in Telegram. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. The first step is you need to log into your Telegram account like this. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface. So in order to delete the account, you need to select the account which you want to delete. You have to open the chat of the person. Once you are open, you will be able to see this interface. So you have to tap on the profile name of the person over here in the upper section. Once you click on that, you will be able to see all the informations in the right hand side. So you have to tap on the pencil like icon in the right upper section, and here you have to scroll down to the button and you'll be able to see delete contact option. You have to simply click on that, and with just one click you'll be able to delete the contact on Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.